Hi! In front of me is Poco C65 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Firstly, just open your keyboard and tap on the microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If you can't see it, select this gear instead. Now click on voice typing and hit the gray sweater next to use voice typing to activate it. Following that, go back to your keyboard and click on now visible microphone. If you never used it before, click on while using the app in the pop-up. Wait for Speak Now command and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!